Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 19th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we had FOMC last night. Not much of a movement for sure. If you saw my live stream last night, you probably heard me talking about how I think this is looking like a wave A. This looks like a higher high wave B. It definitely looks like 353 pattern to the upside for A, B, C, and B. And it definitely looks like a possible five-way pattern down for a wave C. Now, if this really is an expanding ABC, normally they go to the 161, 178, so be careful. It could have a little bit more down. It could end up doing something like that before it goes up. But definitely keep an eye on your structure. I mean, if you start getting structure breaks or you start getting very significant higher lows, I definitely would get on the long side because to me this looks like an ABC correction. And if it is an ABC correction, once it breaks structure to the upside and finishes this pullback, it will likely go up and take out all the previous highs again. So we definitely want to keep an eye out for that trade because the trend is up on the very high time frames and it very likely is just a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.